Story 9. I was hesitating in the conclusion of a bargain or the purchase of a house when a Jew said, "Buy it, for I am one of the landholders of this ward. Ask me for a description of the house as it is, and it has no defect." I replied, "Except that thou art the neighbor of it. A house which has a neighbor like thee is worth 10 dirhams of a deficient standard. But the hope must be entertained that after thy death, it will be worth 1,000. Well, cherish the property you have. For its future, right? But for what it is, but certainly in terms of homes, you don't have to deal with some horrible homeowners association. It's going to be, not as bad as having even having a smaller home. Or I botched that, but